Data breaches are no longer just technical issues. They're a business-critical crisis. The way your team responds can make or break your organization's budget and reputation. Join cybersecurity expert Sherri Davidoff and her team for 360-degree data breaches, an intensive 2-day course at Black Hat USA 2025. You'll gain hands-on experience through interactive real-world breach scenarios using the D.R.A.M.A framework. From dark web breach sites to the latest AI-driven threats, we'll explore how to handle the legal, financial, and reputational fallout, and show you how to reduce risks before attackers strike. You'll also receive practical tools, incident response checklists, breach classification guides, crisis messaging strategies, and more. You'll get the chance to learn from the LMG Security team and cybersecurity expert Sherri Davidoff, a GIAC-certified forensic examiner and penetration tester, author and hacker who's been called a security badass by the New York Times. Learn how to quickly identify, triage, preserve evidence, and minimize the damage from a data breach. Register now for 360-degree data breaches at Black Hat USA 2025.